demonstrate how to make slimy slime, which is squishy and smooth. Oh, I can't wait to talk all about it. You can make slime with a few simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. You need a bowl, measuring spoon, plastic spoon, and a container to store it after it's done. And your slime is going to be made out of regular school glue, baking soda, food coloring, and the final one is boric acid. And all these ingredients are safe to touch. Now let's move on to the actual fun part. To make your slime, take the bottle of glue, pour the whole bottle of glue into the bowl, and put 1 tablespoon of baking soda and stir it so the baking soda totally dissolves into the glue. Then, add food coloring of any color of your choice, and then stir it till the color where you don't see any white. But your slime still looks liquidy. Now to move on to the actual fun part. Now it's time for the baking. The boric acid. Add 1 tablespoon at a time. Slowly observe what is happening. At this point, your slime is starting to get stickier and thicker. And once your slime starts sticking to the bowl, you will know that your slime is almost ready. Now, to make your slime more slimy, take the slime in your hand, start kneading it, stretching it, and even squishing it. Now, the best slime in the world is in your hands. Start exploring different shapes, sizes, and even making different numbers. Oh, guys, make sure to clean the surface after you're done. Wash your hands after playing, and make sure to keep the slime in a container so it does not dry out. But the most important thing is to have fun.